Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Auto. So another video again on the lights on the MG ZS EV because the previous owner has put LED bulbs in the rear lamp cluster. So I've got the lamp cluster out here and both the side lights are these LED OSRAM bulbs. So I'm going to go back to the standard incandescent bulbs, which I have a pack of them here, W5W bulbs, and see whether they are any different. So the reason why I'm doing this is because my gut feeling was the LED bulbs are emitting light straight out the back, and it's two focus light and it's not a distributed light and using all of the reflector. And as you can see here, we've got one LED there and one LED down there somewhere, and there's an awful lot of light there and it's not an even spread of light, and that's what LEDs do. Whereas we go back to the incandescent bulbs, while you can see a bit of focus of light there, a little bit more light there, it's much more evenly distributed. You have to ignore this one because this has probably still got an LED in there, but if we compare that, to me, you're not going to see this in the camera, of course, it's not going to be picking it up, but the incandescent looks much better. That is a more red, evenly distributed light bar, whereas on that side it is going quite orange, yellowy, and yeah, there's two light spots and it doesn't look anywhere near as good as that side. So as I thought, it is much better just to stick with the standard W5W incandescent bulbs and don't waste your money going to LED. It will be lower power drain, but that's not going to make a scrap of difference to the energy consumption. It's just hardly measurable, so save your money and don't bother with LEDs. So yeah, there's the difference between the LED and the incandescent bulb, if the camera's going to focus on that. But anyway, both sides are now back to the original bulbs, and the light distribution is so much better. So if you've liked this video, please do click that thumbs up, because that really does help other people find the channel. And more EV videos coming soon. And if you want to see a video on how to remove the lamp cluster, that's all on the channel as well.